how to increase 36 GB RAM on PC and laptop. So if you want to increase the 36 GB RAM on your PC or laptop, you need to increase your virtual memory. So to increase the virtual memory, what you need to do is you need to open up your Windows 11. So if you have the virtual memory, and what it does is basically your RAM will copy some data or paging files to your hard drive, because this virtual memory works as a RAM in your hard drive. You will virtually create some space in your hard drive which will use as a RAM by your physical work. So basically it's just temporary copy some data files in your hard drive and run your system smoothly without any problem. You already have seen some RAM reaches to 100%. So here if you go for the task manager, you can see the RAM might reach 100%, and even after it reaches 100%, and still you're using your system, right? So that's where your virtual memory is playing some role. So how we can increase it is just press on Windows plus I key, or you need to simply go for your settings. It's basically the same thing. Search for settings and open up your settings. Once you're here in the settings, you need to go for the systems, and under system you need to click on about, and under about you need to go for advanced system settings, and here go for the first option, which is settings, and then you need to go for advanced, click on change, and here you need to click or unclick this option, which is automatically manage paging file size for all drives. So unclick that and you'll be able to edit this Windows tab. So you need to simply choose any other drive. So I'll be choosing E drive, and then click on custom size, and here you need to enter the initial size and the maximum size. So let me just open my calculator. So you have to calculate the minimum and the maximum size for your virtual memory. So once you open your calculator, here you need to multiply your RAM by 1 megabyte. So you need to simply enter 1024, and you need to multiply it by 16. Multiply by 16. So if you ask with the Microsoft, then it will say that or it will recommend that you set virtual memory to be no less than 1.5 times and no more than 3 times the amount of your RAM on your computer. So for the PC owners, you likely have at least 2 GB of RAM, so your virtual memory can be set up to 6144 MB, which is 6 GB. So you will get this 16384, and what you need to do is you need to go for the initial size. So initial size is multiplied by 1.5, and this is 24576. You need to enter 24576, and under the maximum size you need to enter 1024 multiplied by 16, and again multiplied by 3, which is basically the maximum size. So enter 49152. So once you've entered all of this information, click on set and then click on OK and apply the settings. So once you've applied, you can remove all of that and you need to restart your device. And once you've restarted your device, your settings will be updated and you can increase your 36 GB RAM on your PC or laptop by the virtual memory. So that's how you can increase your virtual memory. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.